Hello and welcome back to our channel Think Investments. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is of utmost importance to the global economy, the worst economic crash in human history that has already begun. Today, we will be discussing Jim Rickards' insights on this critical issue, the worst crash in human history. Jim has worked on Wall Street for over 35 years and has advised the U.S. government and international organizations on financial crises. His expertise and experience make him the perfect person to shed light on the implications of this crash for the global economy. So let's start. It's important to understand that this is not a typical recession caused by a business cycle. Instead, it's a structural collapse of the global economy. The COVID-19 pandemic has exposed the underlying weaknesses and imbalances in the global economic system that have been building up for decades. The shutdown of economic activity has caused a chain reaction of events that has led to a severe contraction of credit, liquidity, and spending. This has resulted in a significant reduction in global GDP, widespread unemployment, business failures, and social unrest. The implications of this crash are far-reaching and profound, and it will take years, if not decades, for the global economy to recover. The reduction in consumer spending will have a ripple effect on businesses, leading to a decrease in profits, layoffs, and closures. This will further exacerbate the economic downturn, leading to a vicious cycle of declining economic activity. The increase in debt will also lead to higher interest rates, making it more difficult for businesses and individuals to borrow money. The pressure on governments and financial institutions will be immense, and many will struggle to survive. The global economy will face significant challenges in the years to come, and it will require a concerted effort from governments, businesses, and individuals to overcome them. The road to recovery will be long and difficult, but it's essential to take action now to mitigate the impact of this crash and build a more sustainable and prosperous future. The central bank's actions have also led to a moral hazard, where businesses and individuals are incentivized to take on more debt and engage in risky behavior, knowing that the central banks will bail them out if they fail. This creates a vicious cycle of debt and risk-taking that ultimately leads to a collapse of the financial system. The central banks' role in this crisis is significant, but their actions have only exacerbated the problem, and a new approach is needed to address the underlying issues. The current system of bailouts and quantitative easing only serves to prop up failing institutions and delay the inevitable collapse of the financial system. A new approach is needed that prioritizes sound money, free markets, and individual liberty over government intervention and central planning. The current economic system has created massive wealth inequality, debt, and social unrest. To address these issues, we need to return to a gold-backed monetary system that prevents money from being created out of thin air and limits government spending. We also need to eliminate central banks and allow the free market to determine interest rates and credit allocation. Additionally, reducing the size and scope of government and allowing individuals to keep more of their hard-earned money will create a sustainable and prosperous economy based on sound money, free markets, and individual liberty. It's time for a new economic system that prioritizes the needs of the people and promotes long-term stability and prosperity. Individuals should also diversify their investments by considering alternative assets such as precious metals, cryptocurrencies, and art. These assets can provide a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, and they have the potential to appreciate in value over time. It's also crucial to have a well-diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and cash. This can help mitigate the impact of market volatility and provide a stable source of income. Additionally, individuals should consider reducing their debt and living within their means to avoid financial stress during times of economic uncertainty. By taking these steps, individuals can protect their wealth and ensure their financial security in the face of the worst economic crash in human history. Thank you for listening to Jim Rickards' insights on the worst economic crash in human history. It's clear that we are facing a significant challenge, but it's also an opportunity to create a better economic system that is more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous. It's up to us to take action and prepare for the worst while hoping for the best. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on finance and economics. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, take care and stay safe.